Technology has always had the incredible power to shake up traditional industries. The finance sector, especially, has seen a whirlwind of change due to technological advancements. We're diving into the historical narrative of the digital revolution, exploring the turning points, the breakthroughs, and the impacts on personal finance, banking, and trading. Welcome to the digital revolution, how technology transformed finance. Our journey begins in the 19th century, with the revolutionary invention of the telegraph. This marked the first time that financial information could be transmitted faster than the speed of a horse. Banks and trading houses were able to communicate price updates and other crucial information over vast distances, laying the foundation for what was to come. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we encounter the dawn of the computer age. Mainframe computers allowed for more significant data storage and faster data processing. Banking and stock trading were among the first industries to fully comprehend and harness this power. For the first time, investors could place orders remotely and receive real-time pricing data. With the rise of the internet in the 1990s came a new era of transformation. Online banking offered customers the convenience of managing their finances without needing to visit a physical branch. Stock trading proliferated with the advent of online brokerages, democratizing the stock market to individual investors. As technology raced forward, security concerns advanced in parallel. Cybersecurity became not just an afterthought, but a vital consideration. Encryption techniques rapidly evolved, providing a shield against the rising tide of cyber attacks and digital fraud. Another game-changer arrived with the birth of mobile technology in the early 2000s. With smartphones, financial firms offered mobile banking services, allowing customers to bank on the go. This trend wasn't confined to established players. A wave of fintech, financial technology, startups emerged offering innovative financial services. The late 2000s witnessed perhaps the most profound financial technology innovation: the creation of cryptocurrencies based on blockchain technology. Bitcoin, the first of its kind, was designed to bypass central banks, enabling direct peer-to-peer transactions. Blockchain, the underlying technology, promised transparent and tamper-proof record-keeping, with applications reaching beyond finance. Technology continues to shape and evolve the financial landscape today. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to detect fraud, customize investment strategies, and simplify customer service. This digital transformation wave has spilled over into the concept of open banking, which promotes sharing financial data securely among various participating institutions and service providers. Not to be left behind, traditional banking and finance institutions are embracing technology in a big way. They are investing in fintech startups, partnering with them, or in some cases, developing similar in-house capabilities. These companies are adapting to the digital era, recognizing the demand for faster, more accessible, and more personalized financial services. As with any significant change, there are hurdles to overcome. Technology has brought numerous non-traditional players, such as big tech, into the finance sphere, raising questions about regulation, consumer protection, and competition. Digital literacy, or the lack thereof, presents yet another challenge, as consumers struggle to understand complex financial products. Looking forward, the answer does not only lie in further technological development but a harmonious relationship between technology and humanity. Financial technology should continue to improve the consumer experience, lower costs, and increase access to financial services, all while upholding data security and privacy and promoting financial education. The effects of the digital revolution can be seen in every aspect of our financial lives. From how we access our money, online and mobile banking, to how we make payments, contactless, digital wallets, from how we invest, robo-advisors, to how we fundraise, crowdfunding. It's an ongoing revolution that promises to make our financial lives more comfortable, more equitable, and more digital. As with every newfound power, there are also risks. Cyber attacks, data breaches, digital fraud, all have the potential to undo the benefits of the digital revolution. Financial technology companies, therefore, need to have robust security measures. But it's not only on them. Education and awareness among consumers are equally crucial. As we add more layers of technology, we are not only adding convenience, we are also increasing complexity. It is essential, therefore, for both the providers and the users of digital financial services to keep an eye on the simplicity versus complexity trade-off. After all, the essence of technology is to make our lives more straightforward and better. Blockchain technology, which brought cryptocurrencies into existence, is about more than just digital money. At its core, blockchain is about decentralization, transparency, and security. It is being used to create smart contracts, digital contracts that execute themselves when predetermined conditions are met. And this is only one of its many transformative applications. While cryptocurrencies caused a tectonic shift in the finance sector, we have not yet realized their full potential. The dream of a truly decentralized financial system, where anyone with an internet connection can access financial services, largely remains a dream. But promising developments and projects are ever closer to disrupting the industry further. As we near the conclusion of this narrative about the digital revolution, it is imperative to remember that the revolution is far from over. We are in fact at its center. We, as consumers, as digital denizens, as participants of this global economic system, have it within our power to steer it in the direction we'd like it to go. Let's make sure it's a positive and inclusive direction. Looking around, we see promising advancements and flashes of innovation. The rise of digital wallets and contactless payments is just one example of the ongoing revolution which underlines the trend towards a cashless society. We see venture capitalists increasingly investing in fintech startups, fueling a wave of innovation and disruption. And we see regulators gradually adapting to the challenges of this digital era, reducing barriers to innovation while ensuring consumer protection. At the same time, we see cryptocurrencies' volatility and skepticism from traditional financial institutions. We see technology outpacing the law, raising questions about data privacy and security. We see the unsettling rise of speed before security motto, as some players exploit consumers' digital illiteracy for their benefit. These are all pressing issues of our era. Addressing these issues will shape the future of finance and economy at large. Revisiting the timeline of our discussion, each technological advancement sparked a chain reaction of change. And as we approach the present timeline, the blurring line between finance and technology provides us with a glimpse of a promising future. Where digital currencies greatly reduce transaction costs. Where blockchain technology ensures an unprecedented level of transparency and security. Where financial inclusion, once a distant dream, becomes a reality. If the theme of the past was centralization, with large institutions strictly controlling the flow of money, present appears to be steering towards decentralization. Fueled by the rise of peer-to-peer lending platforms, crowdfunding sites, and blockchain technology, a financial system where power is distributed seems plausible. What does the future hold? It is always difficult to predict, especially in the fast-paced world of technology. But one thing remains clear: the digital revolution is here to stay. Whether it's artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, or some groundbreaking innovation that we haven't even conceived yet, the continuous interplay of finance and technology promises to deliver exciting prospects. From decentralized finance, DeFi, and digital identities to quantum computing and biometric security, the imminent wave of technologies has the potential to redefine not just how we transact, but also how we interact with the concept of money. These technologies bring both opportunities and challenges, requiring us to carefully navigate and consider implications on regulations, security, and fair market competition. Returning to the theme of balance between innovation and regulation brings out an important point: not all traditional practices need to be disrupted. There is much that traditional finance can teach digital finance, and vice versa. Striking a balance between the need for innovation, the risk of overregulation, and the importance of maintaining tried-and-tested practices will be a key determinant of the future financial landscape. We see promising signs of the future today, as much as we see challenges. Financial technology companies, once seen as disruptors, are increasingly being recognized as partners, with traditional financial institutions working on collaborative approaches that benefit both parties. In such intersections of tradition and innovation, the hope for a balanced, inclusive, and tech-savvy financial world emerges. Despite the hurdles and uncertainties, the prevailing sentiment is one of optimism. The digital revolution has the potential to create a financially inclusive world, where anyone, regardless of their location or socioeconomic status, can access and benefit from a suite of financial services. It is an ongoing journey with twists and turns, but the direction is clear: a more connected, more efficient, and more inclusive financial world. As we've explored this grand narrative, we've seen transformative changes brought about by technology. From the telegraph to the rise of cryptocurrencies, every chapter signifies a leap in technological advancement that revolutionized finance. It's an ongoing story, and we're all part of it. Together, we'll navigate the digital currents and shape the future of the finance. An important aspect of navigating this future is understanding the evolution of financial technologies and the challenges it brings. In addition, we need to be vigilant about highlighting the opportunities and assessing the different directions each can lead us. Where will the next chapter lead us? Only time and the unfolding pages of technology can tell. As we stand at the threshold of a new era in financial technology, filled with promise and potential, we must bear in mind the cumulative impact of our decisions. Consumers, corporations, and policymakers, we are all part of a financial continuum. Our past decisions lead us to our present. And our present actions will write our future. In this ongoing narrative, technology is our protagonist, and transformation, our plot. As we head into a financially digital future, let's remember we are the authors of this narrative. Ultimately, the direction of financial technology should be steered not just by the benefits to business or the economy, but by the benefits to society. Technology itself is morally neutral but can be shaped by our values and needs. If we wish for a more fair and inclusive financial world, we must design our technologies deliberately in that direction. So let's wield technology as a force for delivering not just financial profits but also economic democratization, lifting society and mankind. This big journey into the digital revolution ends here, but the road ahead promises to be even more intriguing. Who knows what financial technologies the next decade will bring, and even more fascinating, what they will do to change our world, our lives. As we head into that horizon, let's recognize what we've learned from this journey, what we've achieved, and what remains to be done.